What's the matter? What's the matter? I'm sick. That's too bad. Tal vez Mr. Green can help you. Puede ayudarte. Who is she? ¿Quién es ella? She is a nurse. Es una enfermera. What's the matter? I'm hungry. Maybe Mr. Miller can help you. Who is he? ¿Quién es él? He is the new cook. Es el nuevo cocinero. What's the matter? My cat is scared. Mi gato está asustado. That's too bad. Maybe Mrs. Jenkins can help you. Who is she? ¿Quién es ella? She is a firefighter. What's the matter? Oh, my tooth hurts. That's too bad. Maybe Dr. Barker can help you. Who is he? ¿Quién es él? He is a dentist. Es un dentista. What's the matter? I can't reach my kite. That's too bad. Maybe Mr. Phillips can help you. Who is he? He is a helicopter pilot.